Good evening, everybody. What's going on? It's Steven with Big Apple Sports Cards once again. As you can see, I was able to pick up some retail Stadium Club and Allen and Ginter. Got these at a Target, the actual Stadium Club, and the Allen and Ginter I was able to pick up at Target.com. That's why they got shipped like this in some sort of clear poly. So without further ado, let's get to ripping. Hope everybody's having a good night. Just saw the Lakers spank the Heat in game one. Well, as you can see, I unfortunately started the video and didn't realize it didn't actually start. So I opened up one pack already of Stadium Club. Nothing crazy. Charlie Morton, Marcus Stroman, nice Darryl Strawberry. I am a Mets fan. Junior Fernandez rookie card. We have an Adrian Morgan rookie card. Carlos Santana. Jeff Bagwell, nice little throwback. Bash and Burn, Gavin Lux. Bubba Starling, black parallel. Rookie card. Kyle Schwarber. Austin Riley. And a Dylan Cease rookie card. Again, I hope that without the cameras rolling. But on to pack two, real quick. I'm only gonna open up the packs tonight, not the actual blaster boxes. I'll save that for another video. Right off the bat, we got Corey Seager, Kirby Yates, nice little throwback of Stan Musial, nice Michael Conforto, who had a pretty solid season for my Mets, James and Talon, Shogo Akiyama rookie card, Kevin Biggio, that's a nice looking card. We have an Anthony Rizzo Power Zone insert, Rafael Devers in the wings, Derek Dietrich, Josh Van Meter, and a nice Dustin May rookie card. All right, next pack up. Ooh, I like that back card. It's a favorite player of mine. Alberto Mondesi. Ooh, yes, I'll take that. Mike Trout. Not sure if that's the, nope, that's not the parallel, but it is Mike Trout, so anything with a Mike Trout is definitely worth it. Josh Rojas rookie card, Walker Buehler, Bob Feller, Don Mattingly, another great New York player. Injuries robbed him. Brock Burke rookie card, another Bash and Burn insert, Bryce Harper, Kyle Hendricks black parallel, Sonny Gray, who didn't have the best season when he was with the Yankees. A Jose Canseco throwback. I'm not sure if that's one of those parallel either. And one of my favorite players, Roberto Clemente. I never seen him play in real life, but just the highlights and him being Puerto Rican, you know, obviously solid player. Unfortunately died in a plane crash, but hell of a player that I'm definitely keeping. And that Mike Trout. Okay, here we go. Joey Lucchesi, San Diego. Josh Hader, Mike Yastrzemski with Carl Yastrzemski. What is that? I think that is his grandfather. Ozzie Smith, the Wizard. Max Scherzer, Brendan Rodgers, Sean Doolittle with the cart. I actually think that's such a pretty cool card. Here we go with another insert. Aaron Nola, Emperors of the Zone. Seth Brown rookie card, red parallel. David Dahl Stadium Club. Jorge Posada throwback. And Anthony K, who was once a Met as well. Traded for Stroman. Last pack, Stadium Club. Let's see how we do. Okay. We got a Thor, Noah Syndergaard. Hopefully he comes back. Pitching lights out, Blake Snell. Another Anthony Rendon. Giancarlo Stanton. Not sure what's up with him. Ozzy Albies. Adbert Alzolay, rookie card. Dallas Keuchel. Another Power Zone, Anthony Rizzo. We have a parallel red Tony Gwynn. Hell of a player as well. Rest in peace. Zach Greinke, not pitching, but batting. Aaron Nola. Is this a... It's just a little weird with the Liberty Bell on top. I'll have to find out more about this card. And one of the greats, Willie Mays. So, as you can see from the Stadium Club, I got a lot of throwback players and a good amount of rookie cards. Some of these I'm going to have to check out, see if there's any parallels. And now we'll get to the much maligned set of 2020 Allen Ginter. Get 3 packs and an exclusive 3-card parallel pack. Everything in here. So let's see. Maybe we get one of those rip cards. I'll leave this for the side. 1, 2, 3. Right off the bat, I see we get a rookie, but Fotheringham, I have no idea. Stan the Man Musial, a Calhoun, Tim Lincecum, who was a hell of a player for a couple of years with the Giants, won a Cy Young award, maybe 2, not sure, but 2007, 2008, some pretty solid years. The Chrysler Building here. Reach for the Sky. That's in Manhattan. I'm over here in Brooklyn. And a Gavin Lux rookie card. Pretty solid card. These cards obviously not the best in regards to people wanting to collect them, but I think they have some cool nostalgia. And again, they're from Brooklyn. That's where the Topps little office, warehouse, whatever you want to call it, used to be. Not too far from where I live. Okay, Gould, not sure who that is. Murray. Gossage. We have a giant clam, behemoths of the beneath. Okay, these are those weird cards. And we have a ruby, digging deep. No idea. And a Jeff Bagwell. I have to do this pretty quick. I am in a live break, and I don't want to miss it in a few. We have a Lasik, I'm assuming, skateboard. A Ryan Braun. Tony La Russa. Ooh, a Kyle Lewis rookie card mini. This is not bad. I will take that. We have a Buster Posey Field Generals. I'm assuming this is a special insert. And an Ozzy Albies. Okay. And our 3-card. Whoa. Hey, there goes that man again. This is our special 3-card pack within a pack. And Roberto Clemente, like I said, hell of a player. A Mookie Betts in his Dodgers uniform. Chris Paddock. And my other pack, let's see. Let me know what you think of these Allen Ginter and/or Stadium Club cards. or anything else that you've been able to possibly pick up, whether it's Target, Walmart, or any other store or online. Mazzara, Willie Stargell, Dermot Munson, rest in peace. A Safari Sights, Allen and Ginter, the Lion, unfortunately not centered pretty well. Not that that matters. And we have an Otani and a Mark McGuire. Let's check this one out again. Debut to remember. Another player, unfortunately, looks like injuries messed up his career. Hopefully not for the long term, but who knows. Austin Meadows, Harmon Killebrew, Mazeroski. We have a rookie card of Gavin Lux. Not bad. We have a Diamond Digging Deep, and we have another one of my favorite players, David Wright, the captain. Another player who unfortunately had injuries that robbed him of quite possibly a better career. We have a Corey Kluber, a card that's turned backwards. Okay, Luis Severino. And I will take that. Game used memorabilia. Me being here in New York, hey, not a Yankee fan, but I will definitely take a game used card. We have Wade Boggs, Tampa Bay Rays. Come on, he definitely should be in the Boston Red Sox uniform and or the Yankees. This has a different backing to it. Again, another one of those cards I'm going to have to look up a little bit more. We have the Steinway Tower, Central Park, one residence on each. Oh yeah, that's like the tallest residential building here in New York. And Anthony Rendon, and our 3-card mini pack. Looks like we have some John Smoltz, Atlanta Braves, Lou Gehrig, New York Yankees, and a Bob Gibson, St. Louis Cardinals. Well, all in all, thanks for coming along. Again, I'll break the blasters in another video. Unfortunately, I have a live break that I have to attend to, but I'll let you know how that goes. But once again, everybody, thanks. I appreciate it. And I'll catch you on the next one. Take it easy.